Okay, today we're going to explain how to add a cam to an electronic lock, especially if you're missing the cam from this lock assembly. First, we want to make sure that this lock is in the lock position, horizontal like that.
Then we want to come in and take this nut off of here that's on.
Okay.
You can do that by hand most of the time if there's not a cam on it. Then we'll take this cam and we'll have it in this position with the cutout on the bottom.
Okay.
So first we're going to stick it in the slot, bend it up, put it on here, and push it on. Then we're going to reinstall our nut. Okay, once you get it started, you can get it going there where it stops. Then you will need a 9/16 inch ratchet.
Okay.
And we will tighten that up. And just get it snug. And there we have it.
All right. And now your cam's in there.